Capture One versus Camera Raw Photo Editor comparison. Choosing the right RAW editor can transform how you process images without sacrificing quality or workflow speed. Both offer powerful editing tools but differ in approach and features. Capture One and Camera Raw are two leading RAW photo editors. Capture One is a standalone application focused on professional tethered shooting and color accuracy, while Camera Raw is an Adobe plugin integrated with Photoshop and Lightroom, emphasizing seamless Adobe ecosystem workflow. Capture One is a professional RAW photo editor designed for photographers who prioritize precise color grading and tethered shooting. It operates as a standalone software with a powerful engine that delivers exceptional image quality and detailed color control. Capture One supports a wide range of camera models and offers advanced layer-based editing, customizable workspaces, and robust cataloging features. Its strengths lie in superior color rendering and professional-grade tools tailored for studio environments. However, it has a steeper learning curve and requires a subscription or one-time purchase, which might be a barrier for casual users. The software excels for photographers needing high-end color fidelity, detailed image adjustments, and reliable tethered capture during shoots. While it offers extensive control, users may find its interface complex compared to simpler editors. Overall, Capture One is ideal for professionals and serious enthusiasts focused on color precision and workflow customization. Camera Raw is Adobe's RAW processing plugin integrated within Photoshop and Lightroom, providing a seamless editing experience for users already invested in the Adobe Creative Cloud. It processes RAW files directly inside Adobe's applications, offering essential editing tools such as exposure, contrast, and color adjustments, alongside lens corrections and noise reduction. Camera Raw benefits from frequent updates and tight integration with Lightroom's cataloging and Photoshop's advanced retouching capabilities. Its strengths include ease of use, accessibility for beginners, and efficient workflow for those working across multiple Adobe apps. However, Camera Raw lacks some of the advanced color grading and tethered shooting features found in dedicated software like Capture One. It is best suited for photographers who want a versatile RAW editor that fits naturally into their Adobe-based workflow without additional software purchases. Camera Raw appeals to hobbyists and professionals alike who value convenience and integration over deep color control customization. Capture One offers superior color accuracy and detailed professional tools, making it ideal for studio photographers and those who demand precise control over their images. Its tethered shooting and customizable interface enhance productivity, but come with a higher cost and complexity. Camera Raw, on the other hand, shines with its seamless Adobe integration, making it the go-to choice for users who already rely on Photoshop or Lightroom. It delivers solid editing features with a gentler learning curve and lower entry barrier. The trade-off is less advanced color grading and no tethered shooting support. For photographers focused on color fidelity and studio work, Capture One stands out. For those seeking convenience, affordability, and integration within Adobe's ecosystem, Camera Raw is the better fit. Choose Capture One if you need advanced color control, tethered shooting, and professional-grade editing tailored for studio and high-end photography workflows. Camera Raw is recommended for photographers who want a straightforward, well-integrated RAW editor within Adobe's ecosystem. It balances ease of use with powerful editing, perfect for those who prioritize workflow efficiency and accessibility without sacrificing essential RAW processing features.